G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool and specifically what it does. So specifically, this tool is used to remove the double roller bearing inside the gearbox, which is just inside here. To get up to this stage, check out the video listed above and I'll show you how to get to it. So what we're going to be doing is once the shaft has been pushed back, that is going to sit directly inside here. Once you then apply pressure to the end of the shaft here, it is then going to drive the bearing all the way out, enabling you to remove the gear cluster. What you're going to do is grab yourself a dead blow hammer or a brass drift and we're going to be pushing the shaft this way. That in turn is going to drive the bearing out. Once the bearing is out, you can then put it to the side. Grab the tool, move that to the side as well. And then slowly, piece by piece, you can then remove the entire gear cluster. Now, be careful not to lose any of the detent springs and bearings, which I did in this one, but you can also see that on how to replace them in another video. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you are looking to rebuild the gearbox, this is an essential tool, so make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.